shit. Watch out. Yeah, I see it. All right. Here, go over to Daddy for a minute so I don't hit you. Go over to Daddy for a minute so this truck don't hit you. Let's try to hit it. That kick is nuts. All that board springs it down. That's crazy. Let's try to send him to the moon. That's crazy. Hold on a second. Got her back to the wheels. The wheels, that was sweet. Oh, it broke. Hold on. You now?
You, Dada. Mother.
Firecrackers. You hear them fireworks? Ah! What the hell, Kenny? Oh my Lord. Oh, hey, Daddy cut power in midair. That was weird. That was weird as hell. It cut power on me. Hold on, bro. Stay back for a second. That thing was close to my face. You see that, boy? I about hit myself.
And me, Dada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. You gotta get her lined up going straight like this at the ramp. And you gotta go like this. Oh, I missed it. Hold on, let me get back here behind it. I gotta get back here behind it where I can see what I'm doing. Watch out, Kakai. I about run you over, Kakai. That's how it's done, Kenzie. Just for a second, and then you can drive again. Oh no. Oh no, that was no good, was it?
Yeah.
Haha! It did, didn't it?
Do that again, Kenzie.
Do that again? Yeah. All right, here we go. Here we go, Kenzie. I did, didn't I? Again? You like them backflips, huh? All right, here we go. Another backflip, she says. Oh, we didn't make that backflip. Damn it. Whoopsie. That was a bad one. Wasn't it, kid? What the hell? We didn't make the flip, boys. I think the KRATON XL's all right, though. Look at this beaut. That's gonna do it for this one, folks. We got our wire unsoldered again. Me and the kids was out here just having some fucking hella good times, wasn't we? But unfortunately, the truck said no. I got too hot in this thick grass. It happens every time I drive it in the thick grass. But we had a blast. KRATON and KRATON XL, getting it.